You've probably heard of the term, the Metaverse, by now, but what is it really? In this video, I'm going to break it down for you and show you how to profit from it. Hey there, my name is Mr. FoMo, and if you're like me, you're always on the lookout for new ways to make money. Well, have I got a treat for you today. I'm going to show you how to profit from something that's called, the Metaverse. Now I know what you're thinking, what the heck is that? But don't worry, I'm going to explain everything in detail, so stick around. 1. What is the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a term used to describe a next-generation internet platform that would enable users to interact with each other and with online content in a virtual world that would be more immersive than today's web. The term was popularized by Neal Stephenson in his science fiction novel Snow Crash, and has been adopted by many futurists and technologists who believe that such a platform is inevitable given the current trends in technology development. While the concept of the Metaverse is still very much in its infancy, there are already a number of companies working on building elements of it. In the coming years, it is likely that the Metaverse will become an increasingly important part of our lives, as we connect with each other and with the digital world in new and exciting ways. 2. How can you profit from it? The Metaverse is the next evolution of the internet, and it presents a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs. Unlike the traditional web, the Metaverse is a 3D virtual world that allows users to interact with each other in real time. This new level of immersion creates a more human connection and opens up a world of possibilities for businesses. For example, Metaverse could be used to train employees, give customers virtual tours of products, or even host entire conferences. The potential applications are limitless, and those who are able to capitalize on this new technology will reap the rewards. So how can you profit from the Metaverse? The key is to identify a need that can be met with this new technology. Whether it's developing a training program for employees or creating a virtual showroom for your products, there is an opportunity for those who are willing to embrace the Metaverse. 3. What platforms are best for entering the Metaverse? While there are many platforms vying for a spot in the Metaverse, it is clear that not all of them are created equal. When it comes to entering the Metaverse, there are a few key factors that need to be considered. First and foremost, the platform must be accessible. It should be easy to download and install, and it should work with a wide range of devices. Second, the platform must be user-friendly. It should be easy to navigate, and it should provide a smooth and immersive experience. Finally, the platform must be secure. It should offer a high level of protection for users' personal information and data. When all of these factors are taken into consideration, it is clear that only a few platforms are truly up to the task of entering the Metaverse. Among them, Oculus Rift and HTC Vive are the clear leaders. Oculus Rift offers a user-friendly interface and a smooth and immersive experience, while HTC Vive provides a high level of security and protection for users' personal information. In addition, both platforms are accessible and easy to install. As a result, they are the best options for entering the Metaverse. 4. How do you create a virtual world? In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the concept of the Metaverse. The Metaverse is a virtual world that is created and populated by users. It is a place where people can interact with each other and with computer-generated characters and objects. There are many different ways to create a virtual world on the Metaverse. One popular method is to use game engines such as Unity or Unreal Engine. These engines allow users to create 3D environments that can be populated with characters, furniture, and other objects. Another popular method is to use virtual reality headsets such as the Oculus Rift or HTC Vive. These devices allow users to immerse themselves in virtual worlds and interact with them in a realistic way. Creating a virtual world on the Metaverse can be a fun and rewarding experience. It can also be a great way to meet new people and explore new cultures. 5. What are some of the challenges of entering the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a new frontier, and it comes with a unique set of challenges. For one thing, the Metaverse is a vast and ever-changing landscape. This can make it difficult to find your bearings, and it's easy to get lost in the shuffle. In addition, the Metaverse is home to a variety of creatures, both friendly and not so friendly. It's important to be cautious when exploring the Metaverse, as you never know what you might encounter. Finally, the Metaverse is full of people with a wide range of experience levels. This can make it tough to find someone to team up with, or even just to have a conversation with. Despite these challenges, the Metaverse is an incredibly exciting place to be. With its infinite possibilities and vast expanse, it's impossible to predict what you'll find next. So strap on your virtual reality headset and get ready to explore the metaverse. 6. What opportunities exist in the metaverse? As we spend more and more time online, it's only natural that we would want to find ways to make our online lives more fulfilling and fun. Enter the metaverse, a digital world that offers endless possibilities for entertainment, education, and commerce. The metaverse is still in its infancy, but it is already home to a growing community of creators and explorers. With the right tools and imagination, the metaverse can be anything you want it to be. The metaverse is an exciting place with huge profit potential. If you're thinking about entering, the best platforms to start with are Second Life and Decentraland. You can create your own virtual world or join one that already exists. Some of the challenges you may face include compatibility issues and a learning curve. However, there are many opportunities for those who enter the metaverse, including making money and networking with others. If you want to learn more about the metaverse, subscribe to my YouTube channel where I make videos about this topic every week. Thanks for watching.